Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we're going to talk about U.S. judge questions deportation of West African migrants to Ghana. A U.S. federal judge has expressed doubts about the government's decision to deport a group of West African migrants to Ghana. The court questioned whether proper legal grounds and due process protections were followed in the case. If you are interested in this topic, please pay attention and watch the video through to the end to get all the information. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. A U.S. judge on Saturday said it appeared that President Donald Trump's administration intentionally circumvented immigration laws this week when it deported Nigerian and Gambian migrants to Ghana. Judge Tanya Chutkan, based in Washington, D.C., scheduled an emergency hearing after lawyers representing some of the migrants said their clients expected they could be moved to their home countries, where they fear torture or persecution. Chutkan later ordered the Trump administration to file a report by 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time explaining how it was trying to stop Ghana from sending the migrants to Nigeria or Gambia. The deportations are part of Trump's strategy to send migrants to third countries to speed their removal and pressure migrants in the U.S. illegally to leave. Ghana's President John Dramani Mahama said this week that his nation struck an agreement with the U.S. to accept West African deportees, and had already received 14 people. Chutkan said it appeared the Trump administration crafted the deal as a way to make an end run around U.S. legal requirements that refrain from sending migrants to danger in their home countries. These are not speculative concerns, said Chutkan, an appointee of former President Barack Obama. The concerns are real enough that the United States government agrees they shouldn't be sent back to their home country. A lawsuit filed Friday on behalf of 5 of the migrants said they were taken from a Louisiana immigration detention center, shackled, and put on a U.S. military plane without being told their destination. Several migrants on the flight were placed in straitjackets for 16 hours. The complaint said the 5 plaintiffs had U.S. legal protections against deportation to their home countries. The lawsuit said one of the migrants, a bisexual man, has already been sent to Gambia and was in hiding, it said. The other 4 have been held in squalid conditions in an open-air detention facility operated by the Ghanaian military, it said. In a court filing, the U.S. Department of Justice said it no longer had custody of the migrants, that the court lacked authority to intervene in diplomatic actions, and that a Supreme Court decision in June allowed the government to send migrants to nations other than their country of citizenship. U.S. Department of Homeland Security spokesperson Tricia McLaughlin said that detainees on the flight were not made to wear straitjackets. She did not comment on the allegations of circumventing immigration law. Plaintiffs are represented by 2 advocacy groups, the American Civil Liberties Union and Asian Americans Advancing Justice. The deportations have sparked criticism in Ghana. In a statement on Friday, opposition lawmakers called for the agreement to be suspended, saying it should have been approved by Ghana's National Assembly. The deal risks our country being perceived as aligning itself with the U.S. government's current immigration enforcement regime, one which has been criticized as harsh and discriminatory, the statement said. A Ghana government spokesperson did not immediately respond to a request for comment. While a final ruling has not yet been issued, the matter has drawn attention to broader concerns about fairness in U.S. deportation policies. The outcome could shape how similar cases are handled in the future. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care